Welcome to the J&J Auto Contest video of the S5FD330. Today we're checking out a 2005 Ford F250 Powerstroke. Hear the whistle, see the smoke? It is a power joke. Where's the key? There it is. 161,469 miles. Cold start. Nice running 6-liter Midwest truck, so she's a little bit rusty. Very smooth idle out of this girl though. Everything appears to be working well. Nice set of wheels and tires on it. Dark corridor, red metallic. She's a beaut. Medium flint interior. Nice shape. XLT basic cloth. Nothing to write home about. Gets the job done. A tree fell on it, so you'll have that on these bigger jobs. AC still blows cold. Don't push any ice on my, or glass on my face. That would stink. Six-liter runs great though. Go ahead and put her in gear. 5R110 test. We got reverse, we got drive, 4x4 works, locking hubs. Power mirrors. All doing their thing. Roll these windows up. We are ready to take this thing apart. Getting her right through inventory. Alright guys, that is going to conclude the J&J Auto Contest video of our 2005 Ford F250 Powerstroke. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.